In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage media assets using Meta Business Suite Media Library. If you work with images, videos, or other creative files for your business, the Media Library is a useful place to stay organized. It helps you quickly find what you've uploaded, review recent assets, and access media connected to your ad account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where everything is and how to move through the library with confidence. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and look over to the left sidebar. From there, click on All Tools. This is where Meta groups the main business features in one place, so if you're ever unsure where to find a tool, this menu is usually the best place to begin. Once the full Tools menu opens, navigate to the Manage section. This area contains the resources related to organizing and controlling your business content and assets. Taking a second to familiarize yourself with this section can save time later, especially if you return to it often. Inside Manage, click on Media Library. This will take you into the main area where your business media is stored. Think of this as the central hub for your creative assets. If you upload content regularly for ads, posts, or campaigns, this is where you can keep things more streamlined and easier to locate. When you're in the Media Library, click on Folders to view your folders. This is helpful when your assets are grouped by campaign, brand, content type, or any internal structure your team uses. Using folders can make it much easier to stay organized, especially as the number of files grows over time. You can also click on Recent Uploads to view your recent uploads. This is a great option when you've just added new files and want to confirm they're there without searching through everything manually. It's especially useful if you're moving quickly between uploading content and using it in a campaign or post. Another useful area to know about is Ad Account Media. You can also access the ad account media from here, which gives you visibility into assets tied to your advertising activity. This can be helpful when you want to reuse existing creatives. Check what has already been uploaded for ads, or simply keep your paid media assets organized alongside your other business content. That's how to manage media assets using Meta Business Suite Media Library. Once you know where these sections are, it becomes much easier to keep your media organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.